Oh yeah. Hey guys, welcome to Double G Digs. This video is going to be a little different, man. I had a hard time finding anything great the last 3-4 times out. It's just rough. You're not always going to be first in a race. You're not always going to hit a home run. And I did find a couple of items, and that's what I've put into the video. It's 2 or 3 hunts all cut up. Just the way that it goes sometimes. So I hope you enjoy it for sure, and let me know in the comments below, and let's get started. Oh, it's a key. Not an old one, but it's okay. All right, not too bad. Switch to sensitive full tone. That's showing a 98. Nice and soft. Ooh, yeah. 98. Well, let's see. Could be something really cool. I feel something. What the heck is that? Oh, it is sweet now. It's an old sundial. Dang, looked like it had a swan or something on it. The lawnmower banged it. Ooh, what's it say here? Grow old along with me. The best is yet to come. Huh, I think I'll take this off, clean this thing up, and attach it on something at home. Kind of cool looking. I like that. I could put something right here. Yeah. Sweet. Check out this massive oak tree. Gorgeous. All right, let's find us a new decal. We're going to the board, going to look around, find something new, and today it's Jersey History Hunter. I love that decal. Guys, if you want to trade, just let me know, and I'll shoot you a decal as well. Felt some. There it is. Look at there. It's an old talcum bottle top. Still got the cap on it. With the name. I can read that when I get back. See some writing on it. That's cool. Well, it's an 88. See that? That looks cool, whatever it is. Looks like a little flywheel or something. Huh. Interesting. Cool little piece. Guys, I do a lot of metal detecting around lakes, and as you can imagine, right there on the left side, 2 alligators. That's right. They're in every lake, every pond, every stream. You just got to give them their space and be careful. They won't mess with you. You just don't want to go in the water metal detecting.